What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Naga account to your MT4. Now, the first thing we need to do, if you click on the top right image on the far right hand side of your screen, click on the drop down. If you click on the image, it will give you the drop down list. And if we go over to trading accounts, we're going to see a list of accounts that we have. If you have a demo account or a live account and you would like to add a new account, you can simply do so by clicking the server type, MT4 or 5, depending on which you're using, and of course the currency. Okay, we can also rename the account as well. Now, what we're going to use to actually log into our account is this hashtag number here, 177 blah blah blah. This is going to be the number we need to use as our ID number once we log into MT4, and also the password, which we're going to see once we click on this icon. Okay, if we head over now to the MT4, so here we have the MT4. Now, once we head over to settings, we click on new account. Okay, and you can see it says open a demo account or log into existing. We're going to log into the existing account, and you can see a list of servers that we've already used in the past. But if you haven't used any servers, then you want to type in Naga Capital Ltd, and you're going to see what comes up, Naga Capital Live. And we're going to type in the same number that we can see on our screen, which is our hashtag followed by the numbers. We don't type the hashtag, just the numbers. Okay, and once we click the show password, that's the same number we use to put into our password on the MT4. And once you've done that, you will officially have access to your MT4 account and be able to trade successfully. Thank you for watching. Remember guys, every day is money day.